Uh-oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're playing the drums. Oh, boy, that's a good pot, isn't it? That's a good pot to play with. Oh, what are you doing? There you go. Uh-oh. No, no, not in your mouth. It's not a good idea. No. There you go. Play on the drum. That's it. Play on the drum. What are you doing? Blake, what are you doing? What? Uh-oh. What are you doing? What? Play the drum. That's it. Good job. Good job. Good job. Play the drum. No, not in your mouth. No. That's it. Thank you. What? No, not in your mouth. No. Take it out of your mouth. Hey. That's it. Come on, where are you going with that? What?